I'm Adrian.
And I'm Attilio. Today we're going to talk about buying a home in 2019 and what has changed. So a couple things we want to talk about. First of all is
Get pre-approved.
Get pre-approved. I'm telling you folks, the biggest mistake that people do is they start looking at homes and they don't get pre-approved. And when you're not pre-approved, what does that tell the seller?
Well, you're just going to be wasting everyone's time, and that you just haven't taken that time and effort to put forth your documents, have your credit score pulled, and basically that you're not serious about buying a home.
So get pre-approved when before you start your home buying process, because you can tell the seller that you're legitimate. Okay?
Yes.
So monthly mortgage payments, as far as talking about what you can afford, we recommend that you focus on the mortgage payment as opposed to the
actual mortgage amount.
The mortgage amount.
So if you want to look at that monthly amount. So and again, you might be pre-approved for more. And then your monthly payment might not be comfortable based on your goals and your lifestyle.
Well, your bills. This is how we look at it. Your mortgage is over a 30-year period, but your bills come every 30 days.
Yes.
So that's what you want to look at, is that mortgage payment per month. And that's where people get in trouble. They're like, oh, I'm pre-approved for a $750,000 home, but then the mortgage payment, whatever that may be, is something that you can't afford every month, and then you get in trouble. All right, number 3 would be the interest rates. What's going on with interest rates? What's our prediction?
Well, interest rates are slowly moving up. They are not going down. So the longer that you wait, the more expensive it's going to be to get a mortgage. The more expensive that monthly payment is going to be. So
here's a basic rule of thumb. Mortgage interests go up, you can afford less home. So
yes.
Buy now. If you're thinking about buying, buy. The next one is money down and credit scores. What do they need to know? What are the myths about money down?
So the biggest myth is that you need 20% down, and though that might be the case in more of a seller's market where you want to have as much down as possible to show that you're a strong buyer, that's not always the case. There's programs that are as little as 3% down. And even, if you have a VA loan, that's 0 down, and even USDA, which for certain areas is another 100% financing option.
All right, this next one is credit scores. Typically 620 is the minimum that you need to have. Some lenders go as low as 580. This is why it's important to meet with your lender first. And what you consider as average credit is somewhere between 620 and 680. The last thing is, how long does the home buying process take?
So the national average is about 42 days. The lender that is our favorite lender, Pacific Rim Mortgage, they are on average like 30 days or below. Even on the government loans with like the VA loans, they are guaranteed closing in 30 days or less. So you can check out more information about them in the links below and have a conversation about what you can afford.
All right, so let's wrap it up. Thanks
and aloha.
Let's go. This is the Team Lally Real Estate Show. Home of the guarantee.